Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy, and today we're talking about HTML JavaScript. Okay, we want to look at how we can use JavaScript and HTML, or how we can mix them together to have a more functional website. Okay, JavaScript is a programming language that is used to make your website look dynamic, look smart, and also interactive. Okay, you can build a static website using your HTML and your CSS. Okay, by the time you begin to add JavaScript, you begin to add some functionalities and some life to your website. Okay, probably you want to do some pop-ups, some form validations, and things like that. You can use your JavaScript for that and many more. Okay, good. So if you want to write a JavaScript, okay, so we need to open our script tag. Okay, so by the time you open your script tag, let's call it this. You open your script tag. Okay, so good. So you need to open your script tag. So you can just do a little basic something. Okay, just say hello world. Okay, so but before we do that, you see that our page is blank. Okay, our page is very much blank. You can reload it. So okay, so we see that our page is very much blank. By the time we come here and we save this, then we can begin to see that our page is having that alert. Okay, it's an alert. Okay, so we just okay it and we have our page back. Okay, good. But if we decide to say we want to console.log, say console.log, okay, and we save that. By the time we come to our page, we won't see anything, but until we inspect it, okay, and then we come under our console, that's when we see our hello world. Okay, so let's try something else. Just for example, before we go to what we have for today, you can decide to do something like okay, let's cancel this. So let's say name, okay, equals to let's say John. Okay, let's say that name equals to John. Then we come down, we say alert, okay, alert name. Okay, say alert name. By the time we save it and come back to our browser, that's called what? That's called John for us. Okay, good. So we have alerted. No, we didn't alert John directly. We alerted the name. So, but it's called what we have stored in the name. Okay, we have declared that the name is John. Okay, but then we say if you alert name, for us, it is what we have stored that will give us as what as name. That's John. Okay, if we decide to reassign another another name to instead of John, let's use